So before we were discussing why we need to be vaccinated against whooping cough disease, but now we're going to be discussing who actually needs to be vaccinated. So the answer in a nutshell is all of us, because if we are in contact with any newborn child, we do need to be vaccinated against it. Just because the child themselves will not have the immunity yet and will only start getting vaccinated against it after 2 months of being born. So if there is a baby on the way from a family or a friend, or if you are the partner of someone who will be giving birth to a baby soon, it's really important that you ask your pharmacist about getting your whooping cough vaccine done. And luckily, we do them here. So feel free to come by and we'll help answer all of your questions.